Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for steak stromboli. It's another easy recipe, so let's get started. So what you'll need is Steak-umm, and they're sliced steaks, and you can find them in the freezer section in your supermarket. You'll need some dough, sliced onions, mushrooms, an egg, salt, pepper, garlic powder, some oil, mozzarella cheese, and a sliced bell pepper. So in my skillet, I'm going to be putting in the oil. Now you want to put this on a medium flame. You're going to be placing the steak-umms inside the hot oil. So the steak-umms are so thin they break apart. That's how thin they are. You're going to be putting in the salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now you just want to cook these for about 2 minutes. So now that it's nice and brown, you're going to add your onions, your peppers, and your mushrooms. Now if you don't like mushrooms, you can leave them out. You're just going to saute this for about 3 minutes. So now that the steak and the peppers and the onions have been cooking for about 3 minutes, you're going to set it off to the side and you want to cover it. So next you want a baking sheet with parchment paper on it, and you want to take your dough and roll it out to a 9 by 13. So next you're going to take some of your peppers and onions and the meat and put it onto the center. You want to leave like a 1/2 inch on the border of the dough. Next, you want to take your mozzarella cheese and place that on top. So I'll be putting in 3 slices of the mozzarella cheese. So next you're going to take the dough and you're going to start to roll it. So once you have it rolled, you're going to take your egg wash and just brush the dough. This gives it a nice color. Don't forget to pinch the ends, because if you don't, all the stuffing will come out. Okay, so this is going into a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes or until it's golden. And I'll show you what it looks like when I take it out. So I just took the steak stromboli out of the oven. I'm going to cut it so this way you can see what the inside looks like. So here you have it, steak stromboli. It's so delicious, so easy to make, and I made it with Steak-umm steaks. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.